Hi guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to get 100 subscribers every day on your YouTube channel. Then we will talk about how to improve your credit score, and then we'll talk about the reality of passive income. And lastly, we'll talk about the 5 beginners mistakes that people make in a stock market. So let's jump right into it. Hey guys, so welcome back. Yes, so in this video, as I said, we'll be talking about how to get 100 subscribers on YouTube every day. And this video basically is coming from Kevin David. And Kevin has been making a lot of videos and lately very famous and successful videos in passive income, money, and finance niche. And the first way that he described in almost 9 minutes long video is live streaming. So basically he suggests you to go ahead and start doing live streaming, and you'll be getting a lot of attention, and in turn you'll be getting a lot of subscribers. So this is the first way he mentions. And then secondly, he talks about Google Trends. So if you are a blogger or YouTube content creator, you probably been by now you probably know what Google Trends are. You can right now you can clearly see, Serena Williams is trending. So Serena Williams is trending because of the searches that happened yesterday from Wimbledon final. He basically talks about going through Google Trends and figuring out what is trending and making videos on those topics, which will, give you guys more attention if you are a small channel. Again, coming back to what he said, again, he talks about live streaming. So it can be other than, any sports events or anything. He talks about any videos. You can stream through a software called OBS, which is basically an open source software. You can get it and download it for free and use it. uh, it will really help you. And then lastly, he talks about another tool that is called Deep Link. This basically is a tool where which can give you a URL for the subscription. So you can share that URL with other people who are connecting from their mobile devices through their browser, and they're watching your video. And when they click to your subscription URL, it will take them to their YouTube app on their phone. And what that will do is it'll make them subscribe to your channel. So this basically is another tool that he talks about in this video. So pretty much that sums up everything. Another thing, lastly, he talks about the click-through rate and increasing the retention. So if he is getting 3.8 percent of click-through rate and 4 minutes and 55 seconds attention rate, then he's making, he's playing the ads almost twice as much as any other YouTuber with less retention on their videos. So he's basically asking you to make content that is more track that can attract and keep your subscribers on your videos. So this basically is so that's it for the first video of today. Moving on to the next video, 6 steps to improve your credit score. And basically these are the steps that are mentioned. So Marco from Whiteboard Finance listed these steps as payment history, credit card use, the interrogatory remarks, credit age. And he said that the low impact is factors you can counter in the last. So begin with the payment history. Begin paying the bills in time, and then try not to use the credit card when not needed. And then these are the high impact. Uh, Lastly, credit age also impacts it, but it has a medium factor on it. So basically, he is showing you guys what he's been up to. His credit score is almost 794. Yes, it is. So he basically is showing you how he has managed to make his credit score that good. And then moving on to the next video from Chris Crohan, we will see he's talking about passive income and financial freedom. Watching his style of videos reminds me of Gary Vaynerchuk. Basically, he even uses the same intro music that Gary Vaynerchuk uses. So anyway, he's very aggressive and talks about, it's not easy to make passive income, and he hates people who are giving you advices that you can become rich overnight, and rightly so. I mean, he talks about, presenting a viable idea to investors, and then making $500 a month from different investors, and then moving on to phase one. Do it with your money, then do it with others money, and then other do it with no money. And then real estate is real. So basically he's coming back to the point that where he started from is real estate, right? So as a realtor, he would obviously push that factor and give you advice on that as well. So this basically it sums up the 11 minutes long video. Moving on to the fourth and the final video of this video, the summary of the fifth video. This again is coming from our infamous financial education guru Jeremy, and he talks about five factors, the five mistakes that beginners are making in a stock market, and that's pretty common, these five mistakes. So going over through the five mistakes, the number one is worrying about short-term success, and then buying stocks blindly, and then buying a stock because someone else did, because that's not a good idea, and thinking you are not smart enough. So be confident when you are coming into stock market, as Jeremy is asking you to. And then investing too much too fast. So if your some of your stocks are returning you a lot of money, like return ROI is really high for a specific stock or something, don't invest too much right away unless you really believe in what the company is doing. So expect that to go down if it has grown a lot and you were not expecting it to. So that pretty much sums out all the four videos that I've summarized here. So the whole point of making this one video that encompasses these other four videos is to save you guys time, but at the same time do some YouTube experiments, since they keep changing on algorithms. So I'm gonna try to do a little experiment here, and we'll let you guys know how did this experiment go. And yeah, this niche, the financial niche, is and passive income, financial niche, and YouTube and real estate are hot niches, and people are making boatload of money through Google AdSense with these niches. And yeah, so if you look on the right side, and the next video is from Bored Panda, and 1.4 million views. I'm pretty sure didn't bring some bored money with this. So I'm pretty sure this Bored Panda has been not so boring on the financial side. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. This will mean a lot to me and will really help me in making more videos and good content for you guys. So I'll try to improve content even next time. So stay tuned and have a good day. Take care. Goodbye.